Welcome everyone. Today we are going to watch a very nice video about Eiffel Tower. This video is for those of you who like to travel around the world. What is the secret of the Eiffel Tower? What does the Eiffel Tower represent? Whether you're lucky enough to have visited Paris or have only ever dreamed of going there, chances are you know of the French capital's most beloved landmark, the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower in Paris is one of the most well-known structures in the world. Watch this valuable video until the last second. The Iron Lattice Tower is an icon of France and has been one of the most visited tourist attractions in the country and the world. Eiffel Tower is named after Gustave Eiffel, who was a local engineer in Paris. It was his company designed and built the tower, and the tower is Gustave Eiffel's most notable work. One of other notable works designed by him is the interior framework of the Statue of Liberty. Wrought-iron Wrought-iron. What was the Eiffel Tower built for? When the French government was organizing the International Exposition of 1889 to celebrate the centenary of the French Revolution, a competition was held for designs for a suitable monument. More than 100 plans were submitted, and the Centennial Committee chose that of the noted bridge engineer Gustave Eiffel. When completed, the Eiffel Tower served as the entrance gateway to the exposition. What does the Eiffel Tower represent? The Eiffel Tower was initially built to serve as the entrance gateway to the International Exposition of 1889 as well as a testament to French industrial ingenuity. Wrought-iron. What is the Eiffel Tower made of? The Eiffel Tower is made almost entirely of open lattice wrought iron. Where is the Eiffel Tower located in Paris? The Eiffel Tower can be found on the Amsterdam at 5 Avenue Anatole, France, within the 7th arrondissement of Paris. Situated on the left bank, meaning it is to the south of the Seine River, the storied 7th arrondissement neighborhood in Paris is home to many other famous tourist attractions, such as the Musée d'Orsay and the Rodin Museum. When does the Eiffel Tower sparkle? The Eiffel Tower can be seen sparkling every night for 5 minutes each hour, at the precise start of the hour. The current lighting system has been in place since 1985. Wrought-iron. What is the secret of the Eiffel Tower? There's a military bunker underneath the Eiffel Tower. Underneath the tower's south pillar sits a snug bit of history, a secret military bunker that may connect to the nearby École Militaire via a long tunnel. The bunker has now been turned into a small museum and tour groups can explore the diminutive space. Although at the beginning it was seen as the ugliest building in Paris, soon it became the symbol of the city, said T. Gustave, an Amsterdam-based art historian, museum docent, and a blogger at Culture Tourist.
Today we watched a video about the Eiffel Tower in Paris. If you think this video is good, like, comment your idea and subscribe to this channel and join us. This will allow you to watch more valuable videos like this in the future. Also share the video for your friend to watch. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.